Talking about artists in the land, but we're not going to talk about it anymore. Some people when they hear when Spice does good, and we don't talk about it, it's because we do. Because we talk about the good about Black Hip Hop.
You never talk about the good.
But you miss that because you have people feeding you. Oh, you
never talk about the good.
We talk about the good about Black Hip Hop and how the strategy is good.
Our conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
Alright, so, mom, so I hope whenever Spice is sick, and she comes, she can't be
everything about me.
Whenever we talk about fuck
your time expire, come off of my name upon night, the fix stop blood clot.
I hope that when she's sick and comes to the hospital,
everything about you. All the shoes are your blue shoes, me hate for your foot, the way me hate for you over there.
This next time,
the blood clot time expire about that. Try to stop me hate that fix and me hate you. Me hate your blood clot. Yeah man, stop it for me name.
Night Flick, I understand where you go through right this, you see me? I can see the anger in your face, big brother, you see it? Look. That lady there, yeah, hot mouth, you see me I say? Hot mouth, you see it? No, I don't know what you said to her, you see me I say? And maybe you say something to her really and truly, but she not like, you see it? Maybe you dig too much into the business. But you have to realize that things change. You see me I say, these artists is not as how them used to be like once upon a time. You see me I say, big man thing. And nowadays, everybody head hot. You understand? Yeah. But Night Flick, you know, she say, what day she on TV, I tell others, big entertainers all kind of word. I'm ready for fight. You know, see the temper. So Night Flick, you have to know yourself with these kind of people, alright? And Spice, but not tell a lie, only for respect, you see it? I mean, I'm skiller, you know? Yeah, so, I know the thing go. You see me? Alright, well everybody, you don't know how this already, right? This is the skiller I want to tell me what to think about the whole situation. Don't forget, right, to click the subscribe button if you're not new to the channel, or you can even tell your friend about it. My name is Skiller, and that was Skiller's Entertainment.